Nike or Nike? Asus or it's Asus? If you get confused which one is correct, please do watch this video till the end. We are going to look at 15 different and famous brand names which we have encountered very frequently in our daily lives. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First and my favorite is a spread, and you can put it on rotis or breads and it will give you a very chocolatey, very tasty chocolatey flavor, and it will dearly satisfy your sweet tooth. Second is a car brand name is Renault. It's not Renault. I have seen many of the people pronouncing it Renault. Its spelling is Renault. It has ULT in the last, but it's Renault. Renault. This is a famous clothing brand. It's Versace. Versace, not Versace. Versace is the wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation is Versace. Next is Adidas. Adidas, not Adidas. Adidas is totally wrong. It's Adidas. Adidas. It's a German brand which is famous for making shoes. I have heard different version from different people of this brand, but the right pronunciation of this brand is Asus, not Asus. It's ridiculous to pronounce it Asus. It's Asus. Asus. Again, next is a car brand name. It's Huawei. Sounds correct, but not. It is not correct. It's Huawei. Huawei is a correct pronunciation. It looks like the correct pronunciation of this is Huawei because spelling is like this, Huawei, but the correct pronunciation is Huawei. Huawei. Next is also clothing brand. I am sure you have heard of this somewhere, but now you are going to listen the correct pronunciation of this brand. It's Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana. It has emphasis more on B of Gabbana. It's not Gabbana, it's Gabbana. And Dolce is Dolce, not Dolce. It's Dolce Gabbana. Xiaomi, you can think because of its spelling, but it's wrong. The correct pronunciation of this is Xiaomi. Xiaomi. I am sure either you have driven this car or have seen running on the Indian roads. It's Chevrolet. Chevrolet. ET is also silent in this, like Renault, but Chevrolet is from United States and Renault is from France. Next is QI. It's very tricky to pronounce it, no? Think. The pronunciation of this brand is Qi. Quite surprised, but it's the right pronunciation. It's Qi. This brand make bags, shoes and clothes. What's not? And the correct pronunciation of this brand is Louis Vuitton, not Louis Vuitton. It's Calvin Klein. No, it's Calvin Klein. You must have heard of it or have seen the advertisement on television. Calvin Klein. This brand is famous for making clothes and watches and wallets, and the correct pronunciation of this brand is Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger, not Hilfiger. It's Hilfiger. Last of this list is a car brand name, and it pronounced as Volkswagen. No, here we will be spelled as F because it's a German name, so it will pronounce as Volkswagen. Volkswagen. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching it. If you got to learn anything from this video, please do like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share it so that your friends and families get to know the correct pronunciation of these brand names and get more confidence in their lives. So until my next video, bye bye, take care.